Have you seen Vosowin, Duogox, or Taetox online? They all promise great deals and attractive prices. But the big question is this: are these websites actually legit, or are they just another online scam? I decided to take a closer look. The first thing that caught my attention was the pricing. Many products seem much cheaper than what you would normally find elsewhere. While discounts are common, extremely low prices should always make you stop and think. Next, I looked at the website itself. A trustworthy online store usually provides clear contact information, company details, and transparent return policies. If any of that is missing or difficult to verify, that's a warning sign. Another thing to check is customer feedback. Before buying from websites like Vosowin, Duogox, or Taetox, search for independent reviews outside their own website. If you find lots of complaints about missing deliveries, poor customer support, or refund problems, it's better to stay away. Also, pay attention to the website's age and reputation. Many scam stores appear for a short time, collect orders, and then disappear. That's why doing a quick background check can save you money and frustration. Based on what I found, I would recommend being very cautious with these websites. I couldn't find enough evidence to confidently call them trustworthy. That doesn't automatically mean they're scams, but it does mean you should do more research before spending your money. If you still decide to place an order, use a payment method that offers buyer protection. Avoid direct bank transfers whenever possible.